Mount Holly, New Jersey.
North central Calvin County in southern New Jersey. Northwestern Burlington County in southeastern Bucks County in southeastern
Pennsylvania. Northeastern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 9 p.m. At 8:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Philadelphia,
moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour in gust and penny size hail. Radar indicated. Impact.
Damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Cherry Hill, Evesham, Mount Laurel,
Mount Holly, Riverside, Palmyra, Beverly, and Richmond. Kingston, Northeast Philadelphia,
Cherry Hill Mall, Cassidy, Markham, Andalusia, and Holmesburg. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 4 and 5.
Between mile markers 25 and 36. Interstate 34 and 48.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service Office in Mount Holly, New Jersey. Repeating,